These look perfect for the press. Yes.
Yes, the maturity is exactly where we need it.
Check the moisture levels on line 3.
It's within tolerance, but keep monitoring the flow rate.
Level that out in the back. Make sure the weight is balanced before transport.
All right, back it up just a foot more.
Okay, open the hopper now. The flow low looks steady.
Keep the flow consistent on line 4.
Yes, the meal consistency looks good now.
The gauge is reading high, just as expected for the peak extraction.
Understood. The flow is strong. The flow rate is optimized.
Confirmed. Adjusting the press now.
The readings look good here. Keep an eye on the residue levels.
Will do. I will check the centrifuge again.
The large particles are being removed effectively. Check the differential pressure.
It's holding steady. We are good to continue the batch.
Flow rate is optimal, moving to purification stage 1.
All right, maintain the pressure and monitor the enzymes closely.
Pressure looks good on tank 5.
Valve secured, flow rate steady.
Data confirms stable transfer.
The refractive index is stable at 1.474.
Good. That meets the standard for purity.
All parameters are stable. Viscosity is perfect.
Looks good to me.
Batch confirmed for packaging.
Output is up 5% this hour.
The new capping machine is working perfectly.
This one looks good, no defects.
Okay, record it, send it through.
Check the count on the tablet for aisle 5.
Yes, the inventory matches the order.
Almost done here. All right, next pallet coming right up.
Yes, this sunflower oil is on sale today. We'll take this one. I'm telling you, the fish was this big. You should have seen it.
Dad, you always say that.
As you can see, the optimization has stabilized the flow rate significantly.
Yes, the energy savings are substantial.
The workflow begins as continuous conveyor systems transport the sunflower seeds through cleaning